Hello and welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Great to have you here. An unboxing for you today. A bit of a grail watch from me, this, here on Budget Watch Reviews. A watch that's got a lot of hype, got a lot of good feedback, and it's from Citizen. And if you're a follower of the channel, you'll know I'm a big sort of Citizen fanboy, particularly their eco drive stuff. But this is an automatic, and this, I believe, came out in sort of Japan in around 2022, and then got a global release in 2023. Got a lot of hype back in 2023. It's the Citizen Tsuyosa, I'm sure I'm saying that wrong, which is Japanese for strength or strong. And I wanted one of these, and one of the reasons I wanted one of these, I saw them in a jeweler's, went on a trip, and I saw a particular colour, which is the one I went for. This is the NJ05 or 5188X. You'll have seen on the thumbnail, so you'll know what it is, but this is an unboxing now. A little bit on the expensive side for the channel, knocking around £300. What's that? $350 to $400, something like that. However, they have started to come down in price now, and you're starting to get some deals, and I saw this on a deal on Amazon, so I'll put a link, and you can get this watch currently, as I make this video, for around £250, that is, so that's what, $320. So you're starting to see some discounts on this particular watch. One of the reasons being out, they've just brought out a small seconds, which is a small seconds sub-dial on it. So these have started to drop. So standard Citizen packaging, there we go. Usual box, etc, etc. Nothing exciting there. Oh, some documentation, let's get that. The international guarantee, I believe it comes with a 5-year warranty, and you get an extra year if you register it, which I will be doing. EU directive, thank you for your purchase. There we go. And here is the watch. I've got it upside down. Now I went with the, what I would call sort of teal colour. I saw it advertised actually as turquoise. I suppose kind of both. Right, let's slide this out. I wanted this one because I just thought the colour was stunning. They come in lots of different colours, black, blue, yellow. They've just brought out some new ones as well with some very interesting dial combinations. I think there's a striped one, but I went with this one because I just thought it was really classy. Right, let's see if we can get it out. It is an automatic, as I say, not an eco drive. Get rid of the packaging. Okay, so just to confirm, it is the NJ015188X, and it's the Miyota 8210 caliber, automatic. And here we go. Oh, I just think that's brilliant. Now it's coming across on the screen on my camera slightly bluer than it actually is, slightly greener, possibly. Well, I'll need to check that when I've got the footage off the camera, but it is a slightly more sort of teal colour. Really nice, really nice sort of fume effect on the sides. Now one thing I did notice is if you look at the pictures on the website, the fume on the website around the edges seems to go a little bit further up the indices. It's a bit sort of shallower on here, but it's beautiful. Oh, really nice, really nice. Okay, I still haven't bought a pair of scissors to put on the desk, so I'm going to have to take this off, so bear with me a second. Yep, one of these days I will get a pair of scissors and sort that out. Okay, here we go. So, really nice, full stainless steel. It's got some brushing and some highly polished finishes on there. Really nice 3-link bracelet. Oh, it's covered in plastic. Let's get that off. As you see, again, polished down the centre, brushed down the sides. Really nice. Let's get rid of all this. Oh, that's very static and sticking to my hand. Oh, if it will come back into focus, there we go. Okay, pressed clasp. One of the things I've always said about Citizen is you always feel that they don't do a good job of the clasp. It always feels like that's the one bit that they, instead of having something nice and milled, it's just a pressed clasp. I'm not saying it's a bad clasp, but I always feel that that's one bit they could always do better on. What micro adjust we got there? 3. Yeah, okay, that's interesting. Let's see if I need to adjust that to get all this off. Yeah, plenty of packaging. Oh, wrong way round. Now we've got the crown down at the 4 o'clock. What are we at? Oh, it's quite small, quite fiddly if you've got big fingers like me. Although maybe you'd set it one time and then kind of leave it as is. Oh, didn't do that right. Come on. Oh, that is a little fiddly. So I can wind it there. I need to get to the date set. There we go. Is that it? No. Oh, it's quite fine on the date, etc. Oh yeah. A little bit of a bugger to set, I think, but once you've got it set, you'll be fine. Okay. Oh, there we go. I can wind it. Really nice. Now on the back. That's interesting. The second hand stopped. Well, what's going on there? Did I not push that all the way? I didn't push it all the way in. There we go. There you go. So it hacks as well. As you can see, I believe the power reserve has got about 40 hours worth of power reserve on it. And then we've got a really nice display, case back, screw down. Okay, nothing over intricate on the back, but not what you're expecting, I suppose, for an 8210 at this price. You can see it says sapphire there. It's a sapphire crystal with that Cyclops. Now, I'm not a massive fan of Cyclopses. I prefer it without, really. Well, my eyesight's getting worse as I get older, so maybe that's I'm going to appreciate that more as I get older. The dial is stunning. I really hope that comes across on the camera. I'm having to use a little bit of artificial light this evening just because it was a bit of a darker evening, so I'm hoping that doesn't throw out the colour too much. Okay, let's try it on. Now, I've got an 8-inch wrist, so sometimes I've struggled with straps not being long enough. You don't tend to get that on the braceleted watches, particularly from Citizen. What am I wearing today? Oh, I've got the steel dive on. There we go. The ST 1970, I think it is. I'll put a link to that in the description. Great watch. Lumen, that's fantastic. Love it. Obviously a homage to the Captain Willard. See, nice mill clasp on that. That cost less than this one. Right, 8-inch wrist. Let's see. Oh, it feels a little loose. Oh, I might go away with just the micro. Just don't think I'm going to need to take one out on that, but I'll have a look. Oh, do you know what? That's really nice. The blue on that is stunning. That bluey green colour is stunning. I'll put a link to this, as I say, in the description, and I'll get a full review out for it as well. That's really nice. That's classy. I can see why the hype on this. Integrated bracelet. You can see where they're going. The bracelet's really nice with these rounded, polished and brushed surfaces. Yeah, very much worth the money. I'm really pleased with that. I think it's a 40mm in diameter, so I can get away with it on my 8-inch wrist. I always tend to go for 40mm or thereabouts. Anyway, please subscribe if you want to see the review of this. Thanks to everybody that's liked, subscribed and commented, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.